tomorrow we get the new home sales data, and I just want to quickly preview that. Jen, if you can put up the first slide. So new home sales for tomorrow, you can see that green box in the second column is estimated around 605,000 to 610,000. That would be up month over month about 5%. So pretty robust number actually. But I think, there's room for disappointment in that number, largely because of what we saw last week or the week before, and that was the NAHB, which is the Homebuilder Sentiment Index. And Jen, if you can put up the next slide, this is the Homebuilder Sentiment Index, and it came in at 34, which is a pretty depressed number. That's that very bottom, dark 30
bottom center. Yep.
And the last time we had this, Homebuilder Sentiment Index this low was, prior to the 2007-2008 great financial crisis, when housing was the centerpiece of that recession. So if you look at current sales conditions, so this index is made up of three components. Current sales conditions was near historic lows at 37. Future sales expectations over the next months, again, near lows of 43. And the traffic of prospective buyers came in at 23. All three of those components are near historic lows and decline month over month. So you're not getting a lot of positive signs out of home builders. And with the way rates are rising today, I'm sure they're going to be even less excited about the home building environment. Recent data showed that 37% of builders had to cut prices in July in order to move product. That's up from 32% 2 months ago and 35% last month. The average price reduction again was 6%, and the use of sales incentives for home builders, over 63% of home builders now are reporting to move product. That's the 16th consecutive month that we've seen this. So I would say the home building, and I've been negative on home builders I think since September of 24. I just don't see any reason to buy the home builders here. I think maybe next spring will be your first opportunity. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. I think there was one more.
Are you shorting them?
Yeah, this just shows existing home sales, not new home sales, but existing home sales continues to run around 4 million annualized per year. That's been the rate for the last 3 years. That's a very depressed rate. Usually it's 6 million plus. So again, there's nothing coming out of Washington that's going to make it more attractive.
So Charlie, you said you weren't buying them. Are you shorting them?
I have been. I took it off. So the answer is no, I'm not short them now. I might. This rate structure is shifting quickly and could put another leg down in the whole home building market.